Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Goodbudget handles cash transactions. Goodbudget is a virtual envelope budgeting app. It's designed to help you track your spending and stick to a budget, even with cash. To track cash transactions in Goodbudget, you first need to create a cash account. This account represents the physical cash you have on hand. When you withdraw money from your bank account to get cash, you record this as a transfer within the app. You'll transfer the money from your checking or savings account to your new cash account. After that, when you make a purchase with cash, you simply record an expense from your cash account and assign it to the appropriate budget envelope, like groceries or dining out. This way, your budget stays accurate and you know exactly where your cash is going. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.